Okay, so for this one, I found a presentation called How to Set Smart Goals. How a smart leader sets smart goals. So let's go through it. So this one says only 3% of adults have clear, written, specific, measurable, time-bounded goals, and by every statistic, they accomplish 10 times as much as people with no goals at all. Specific goals focus people's attention. Lacking a specific goal, employee attention may be dispersed across too many possible objectives. I will increase the company's revenue by making 10 more sales a week. So that makes sense. I guess having a specific goal, focusing on one thing that you can achieve rather than overwhelming yourself with a bunch of goals. Measurable. Goals should be measurable so that you have tangible evidence that you have accomplished the goal. I will increase the company's revenue 20% by making 10 more sales a week. This goal has to be something tangible, exactly, something that you can do, something that's within reach and not unachievable. Achievable. Like I was just saying, a goal is achievable if it's something that you know you can do. I will increase the company's revenue 20% by making 10 more sales a week. Last quarter, the increase was 15%, so it shouldn't be too hard. So if you're able to do it by 15, what's that 5 more percent? Realistic. If I could reach the amazing goal of churning out 1,000 pizzas a day, it would not be relevant if I run a dry cleaning business. That makes sense. I will increase the company's revenue 20% by making 10 more sales a week. I will sell the software we are making. Last quarter, the increase was 15%, so it shouldn't be too hard. So the goal that you have to set has to be realistic, because if it's something that doesn't even apply to your working field, like the pizza and the dry cleaning business, how is that goal possible, you know? Time-based. Without deadlines, it's easy to put goals off and leave them to die. As well as a deadline, it's a good idea to set some short-term milestones along the way to help you measure progress. I will increase the company's revenue 20% this quarter by making 10 more sales a week. I will sell the software we are making. Last quarter, the increase was 15%, so it shouldn't be too hard. So at least with a goal, when it's realistic and you have like a time base of where you can hit the goal, that'll give you a more steady track to follow. Smart. Many people fail in life, not for lack of ability or brains or even courage, but simply because they have never organized their energies around a goal. Elbert Hubbard. And that is the end of the presentation.